In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the period tracker in MacroFactor. So, MacroFactor includes basically a note option, which you can utilize as a period tracker feature. It allows you basically to log your menstruation days, providing valuable context for interpreting weight, fluctuations, and other metrics. So how can you log these like days? So what you'll need to do, if you go here to food log, wherever you add your food. As an example, you'll find here your day. So starting from 7 p.m., you keep scrolling down, you'll find here at the end of the day, notes option. So in this notes, you can click on add the notes, and here, let's say on this day, you got your period, you can simply just go and add it here. So as an example, you can just go here and add like period day. You can add any notes if you want to. So if you click now and check, as you can see, this is going to be as a period day. If I go as an example, and always if I want to keep track of it, I'll find, oh, today it was a period day. That's how you basically keep track, or that's how you use the period tracker in MacroFactor. Of course, there is nothing automatically that can do this for you. You will have to go and do it manually. So the period tracker is just the note option that you can use manually here in MacroFactor. So that should be it for me in this video. If you have any question, leave it down below in the comment section and I'll do my best to help you out. Of course, you can also like adjust here your dashboard. So if you want to see like any food logs or any notes here added in the dashboard, as you can see, if you click on customize dashboard, you'll be able to add your notes as well. You can even reset to the original app defaults if you made any changes that you didn't like. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching again and I'll see you back again in the next video.